So here's a quick video on how to copy an image from one frame into another within Figma. And so you might be trying to copy this image here. So if I hit Command C and then clicking your shape over here and pasting that, and what you'll find is it's just going to paste a duplicate of our image and it's not going to add it within the frame. And so one option is to just select your shape here and change the fill to an image, and here you can then upload the image that you want. But an easier way within Figma is to simply select your image here, and then next to fill we just have to select our image, Command C, so we're copying this, and then select our shape and Command V, and now it's going to add our image into the fill. And so now we can select our image and we can change it from fill to fit or crop. So let's say fit, or let's say crop. And now if we have a look at this, we can now drag our image around within the frame and reposition it to how we want. And so that is the easiest way to copy an image into a frame in Figma.